People don't regret losing you because you begged. They regret losing you when you become silent. Silence has a way of reflecting the truth back to people. It forces them to confront what they tried to ignore. Once you stop reacting to their behavior, they start replaying the moments they took you for granted. When you step away, they realize the comfort and stability they lost. By choosing peace instead of conflict, you leave them alone with the consequences of their actions. Here are 7 silent behaviors that make people regret hurting you, even when you say nothing. 1. You observe everything but refuse to react. Nothing is more unsettling to someone who has wronged you than your calm, controlled silence. By refusing to react emotionally, you deny them the reaction they expected. Instead of feeding the drama, you simply observe. That quiet self-control speaks louder than anger ever could and shows that you are no longer under their control. 2. You don't argue and simply detach. Rather than wasting energy trying to prove your point, you choose to detach. Toxic people often expect endless explanations or emotional battles, but your silence tells them you have already made your decision. You don't win by continuing the fight, you win by walking away. Only then do they begin to feel the emptiness their behavior created. 3. You choose distance over drama. Sometimes distance communicates more than any conversation ever could. By limiting their access to your life, you make it clear that your peace matters more than unnecessary drama. The combination of silence and distance creates a powerful boundary. Once you stop participating in chaos, you become much harder to manipulate. 4. You stay kind even when they expect an explosion. Responding with calmness instead of an emotional outburst often leaves a stronger impression. Your calmness highlights their instability, while your kindness shows strength rather than weakness. Without saying much, you allow their own conscience to become louder than anything you could have said. 5. You let karma handle the justice. Instead of seeking revenge, you focus on moving forward. You understand that every action eventually brings consequences. By refusing to chase justice or argue endlessly, you protect your energy and allow time to do its work. Life often teaches lessons far more effectively than any confrontation. 6. You choose peace over approval. People can only control you if you constantly seek their approval. The moment you stop trying to please everyone and begin protecting your own peace, their influence fades. Your calm boundaries reveal who truly respected you and who only valued your willingness to sacrifice yourself for them. 7. You leave them wondering what changed. There is incredible power in becoming less predictable. When you stop explaining yourself or defending every decision, people are left to fill in the blanks. Your silence becomes the answer they never expected. The mystery of your absence often creates more reflection than endless conversations ever could. Being ignored often hurts more than being confronted. Silence has a unique way of making people face the consequences of their own choices. When you quietly walk away, they are left alone with the realization of what they lost.